Can I install multiple indoor units off of one single outdoor unit? Yes, it's possible to install multiple indoor units off a single outdoor unit in a system known as a multi-split system, VRF or VRV system. Multi-split systems are a popular option for buildings or homes that require more than one indoor unit, but do not have the space or need for a separate outdoor unit for each indoor unit. A multi-split system typically consists of one outdoor unit that is connected to two or more indoor units, each of which can be controlled independently. The outdoor unit contains all the same components as an individual system, however with most multi-head units there are just more refrigerant lines ran to the outdoor system. When installing a multi-split system, it is important to consider the following factors: capacity and kilowatt size of the system, pipe run, length and pipe run location. In most cases, these are a tailored installation, so get in contact with the team to obtain more information if you require.